I said I'd come back and show you now that the crackle size is dry. I am going to apply, at first I was going to do the urban crackle, but I've decided I'm going to do the crystal clear crackle because I don't want to hide the decoupage paper, and I'm going to apply it. Last time we applied it with a roller, but today I'm going to apply it with a brush. So I'm going to turn you down. This is what we will be using, the crystal clear crackle. And well, when I turn you down, I'll keep talking. Let me just find myself to make sure that I am on. Yep. Okay. You can watch this on replay. I'm not really that worried. I do want to raise it up a little bit, so I'm going to use these cups to raise it. And then we'll start working with the crackle, the overlayer. Okay, so I'm applying the crystal clear with a paintbrush. I do have my roller, just in case I decide to use it. With this, you have to be careful that there's no drippage. So, I know you're not supposed to apply from the can, but I'm going to. So as you can see, I'm just applying it any which way. It's not in a particular linear fashion. And I'm applying it rather thick. So that it'll be ready and dry by tomorrow. Tomorrow's live is going to be at 2 o'clock. And hopefully that will work for everyone. I am going to do a post on that. And sorry, I'm just concentrating on not dripping. On a flat surface, you would apply it with a roller, and I can still put a roller over it, and I might. Let me just get it on, but I didn't want it to be leaking. Oops. And I hope you can all see some of it is dripping. But that's okay. We'll just see what happens tomorrow. I've never applied it like this. But there's always a first time. So if you're watching this on replay, please distribute and put hashtag replay. It's not a long procedure, so don't stop what you're doing just to come over. When When you have time, just watch it. Oops. Let me apply a little bit more. Okay, I think I have it all over now. I don't know whether I want to use my roller actually, because I kind of curious to see what the end result is. I just have to be careful and watch for drips. So when you do it this way, if it works, we're just trying out, as I said, all you have to do is, for about half an hour to an hour, come back and check that there are no drippages. Is that a word? No drippages. Okay, I think I'm all done. I will see you guys tomorrow at, as I said, 2 o'clock. And we'll try out the 2 o'clock timing and see. Oh, I'm going to add just a little bit more here. So until then, have a great afternoon. I'm just going to put this away. Oh, and seeing I've got more, maybe I'll apply more. Hopefully it will be dry by tomorrow. And I look forward to seeing you then. Okay, take care. Bye.